The DWARF 2 Digital Smart Telescope is the perfect companion for your eclipse experience. When outfitted with its custom solar filter, the DWARF 2 can capture stunning views of the upcoming total solar eclipse, including the slow march of the lunar shadow across the solar surface, the dazzling diamond ring effect, and the show-stopping emergence of the corona during totality. On April 8, 2024, the secrets of the sun and its dance with the moon will be a fingertip away with the DWARF 2 Digital Telescope. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the DWARF 2 Digital Telescope to take photos or videos of the total eclipse. Safety is always an important thing to remember, and in this case, looking at the sun with your bare eyes without eye protection or pointing the DWARF 2 telescope at the sun without the sun filter will result in catastrophic damage to either the telescope or your eyes. To begin the process of capturing the total solar eclipse, first make sure that your DWARF 2 telescope has a full battery and is charged to 100%. Next, place the DWARF 2 telescope on a mostly flat surface in a bright sunny area with a clear view of the sun. A steep grade or even a gradual grade can cause the DWARF 2 to not track the sun correctly. Before you begin tracking the sun, you must first attach the ND filters to the DWARF 2 telescope. Locate the filter holder. This attachment is magnetic and between 3 and 4 inches long. The front of the attachment says telephoto and wide angle. Locate the 2 included filters. On the sides they will say ND 1 million. Attach these filters to the front of the filter holder. Once both are in place, take the filter holder and place it over the lenses on the DWARF telescope. These are magnetic and will not fall off. To turn on the DWARF Lab telescope, press the green button until the lights on the side come on. All the lights on the side should show green to show a full battery. Once the lights are on, open the DWARF Lab app on your smartphone or tablet. You will see a representation of the DWARF Lab telescope. Press the word Connect underneath it. Once the app searches and successfully finds an available DWARF Lab telescope, it will show up on this screen. Select your DWARF Lab telescope and wait for it to connect. You may be asked to join the Wi-Fi network. Hit Join to connect your telescope. Once you're connected, you will see the representation of the DWARF Lab telescope with a circle and the word Photo. Press Photo. Once the live view appears, you will see exactly what the telescope is seeing. Now manually, but very gently, aim the telescope at the sun. The wide field of the telescope will allow the sun to be in frame, but you need to line it up to the small square in the middle. Once it's lined up with the small square, you will touch the function button at the bottom right of the screen, represented by 4 squares and the word function. If not already selected, you will need to tap the box on the left in the feature submenu and then Sun Track and hit Confirm. You are now tracking the sun. To take a video of the sun, just click the word Photo with the camera icon above it and then select Video. Whether in video mode or photo mode, all you need to do is click the 2 circles in the middle right. A white circle with another white rim around it indicates a photograph. If it's red with a camera in it, that indicates a video. You can also do time-lapse, which takes a photograph every few seconds. Once you're done with your video, just tap the button again and it will stop recording. These recordings and photos are stored inside the DWARF telescope on the small SD card. To find these, hit the X in the top left of the live view. This will take you back to your main menu. To access the photos and videos you've taken, tap the word Album on the bottom left. Pick any photograph or video, tap it for a closer view, and to save it to your phone, click the Download button on the bottom left, indicated by an arrow with a line underneath it, and download. You have now completed the DWARF 2 Digital Smart Telescope tutorial on how to photograph or video the sun. Remember to always wear eye protection when viewing the sun or an eclipse. Thank you for watching.